How to cancel ESPN Plus. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. To cancel your ESPN Plus, first and foremost open up a browser. If you are on your iOS device, open your Safari. Search for ESPN and tap on the first suggestion shown. If you have an application, you can follow this simple step. So right here, once you are redirected to the official homepage of ESPN, you have to tap on the person icon at the very top. Wait until your ESPN is fully loaded. Once it is completely loaded, you will see such icon. You have to tap on it. Under Manage My, you can select ESPN Plus subscription. It will redirect you to a new page of ESPN Plus. So right here in this section, you can easily renew, purchase, or cancel your subscription. As you can see, I don't have a subscription for now. However, it will be displayed something like this. It will give you your subscription status, type, and next payment. To cancel your subscription, all you have to do is tap on Cancel Subscription bubble right below Update Payment. Once you tap on it, it will ask for confirmation. Go ahead and confirm regarding your cancellation. Once it is cancelled, it will notify you via email. Mind it might take a while for your subscription to be cancelled. Isn't it simple? And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.